Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The provincial chapter of the Salesian Africa, Ethiopia, Eritrea, AET began on 11th March 2024. The day began with a retreat during which all participants were invited to return to a deeper knowledge of Jesus Christ as Don Bosco wished for the Salesians. The provincial chapter has a total of 37 members, to which are added 8-day collaborators who joined the assembly at various times of discussion. The superior of the AET Vice Province, Father Haley Mariam Medhin Tesfaye, presided over the opening Eucharist of the provincial chapter and will celebrate the concluding Eucharist on 16th of March. The Salesian province of Bogota, Colombia, COB, celebrated the opening of new facilities at the La Hoylanda Agricultural Educational Institution in Meta Granda with great joy. The exciting commemorative event took place with the blessing of modern facilities in a Eucharist full of hope and gratitude for those who have dedicated their effort and commitment to making the great educational project a reality. The new facilities represent a joint effort dedicated to young people, a symbol of hope and promise for the future that will throw light on their path towards a brighter and more prosperous tomorrow. Rector, vice rectors and members of the Pacific delegation from communities in New Zealand, Fiji, Samoa and Australia gathered at the Salesian province of Australia Pacific AUL Rectors Meeting. The event, which takes place in Ascot Valley in the Salesian Formation community at Clifton Hill, began with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by the provincial Father Peter Huang. During his homily, drawing on the readings of the day, Father Huang drew a parallel between the flow of water as a source of life and hope and the potential for great results of Salesian work in AUL province. He encouraged the Salesians to imagine their communities as sources of animation and optimism, where the Salesian spirit, the charism of Don Bosco, flourishes and grows in unity in Christ. The Salesian Brothers Formation House, Blessed Itzvan Sander community, was canonically erected on 4th of December 2013 for the specific formation of the Salesian brothers coming from the regions of East Asia and Oceania, South Asia and Africa, Madagascar, as well as English-speaking provinces. It has a team of formators dedicated exclusively for them. It is ideally located within a compound that includes the formation community for the clerics and the Don Bosco School of Theology. The Universidad Don Bosco, UDB in El Salvador, celebrates 40 years since its foundation in 2024 and has celebrated this significant anniversary in recent days with an unforgettable commemorative event. The Salesian University is an institution of reference in the field of higher education in the country and the entire Central American region, known for its commitment to specialized professional training, academic and technological innovation, knowledge transfer, social impact initiatives, and the promotion of its Salesian values. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.